Hi, this is Jesse here with Bold Grid, and I'm here today to answer a question from Bryan. Bryan has a block that he's trying to get centered. It has a couple of elements, a heading and a paragraph and a button. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, Bryan, what's going on. I've recreated the block that you have on your website here, and so a couple of strange things going on. First one, you might not be able to tell by looking, but this heading is not actually centered. It has a bunch of space characters before it. So delete those spaces and then center your heading. So that's the first step. Now, the second step is this set of paragraphs over here. And they're in an orphaned column, which means that they're over here on the right, but there's no column to control over here on the left. So switch to the text editor, and right here is where that paragraph starts. Get the support you need. Join our community is up here with the different colors that you chose, and here is that orphaned column. It's just an empty two sets of divs, and just delete those. And then on your column that does exist, change these fours. So call MD4 goes to 12, and call SM goes to 12. Switch back over to the visual editor, and this is closer to what we're looking for. So now one thing that you might want to do is just drag in the corners here so that it doesn't take up the full width. Just make sure you get those dragged out an even amount. And now you can see that we actually have control over the columns to the left and right. They're not orphans like that old one. So that's the way to fix this specific block, Bryan. You're going to have to go into the text editor and delete that orphan column. So I hope that helps you, Bryan. Let us know if you need any more help.